Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see workbook fill up for standard 7th subject Sanskrit and second semester book. The very first chapter is Prahelikah. Now let us see the workbook, all the exercise one by one. The very first exercise is for each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First MCQ. वृक्षाग्रवासी कः अस्ति? वृक्षाग्रवासी कः अस्ति? So the answer is C. नारिकेल. Second, पक्षिराजः कः अस्ति? So the answer is B. गरुडः. Third, शूलपाणिः कः अस्ति? So the answer is D. महादेवः. Fourth, तग्वस्त्रधारी कः अस्ति? So the answer is C. नारिकेलः. Fifth, का स्त्री नर नारी समुत्पन्ना वर्तते? सो द आंसर इज बी. छोटिका. सिक्स्थ, का जात मात्रा विनश्यति? सो द आंसर इज बी. छोटिका. एमसीक्यू नंबर 7, का कृष्णमुखी अस्ति? सो द आंसर इज ए. लेखिनी. एट्थ, दंतेहीनः शीलाभक्षी कः अस्ति? डी. उपानत और पादरक्षकः. 9 नंबर, कः करिणां कुलं हन्ति? आंसर इज बी. मृगेन्द्रः सिंहः. 10 नंबर, का पुरुषः युद्धे किं करोति? सो द आंसर इज बी. पलायनम्. 11 नंबर, ब्लैंक मृगात् जायते? आंसर इज सी. कस्तूरी. 12 नंबर, who lives at the top of the tree? So the answer is D. Coconut. Now let us see the exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the poem. First, Jalam cha blank na ghatah na meghah. So the answer is Bibranna. Second, Sastri blank api shabdam kurute. So the answer is Amukhi. Third, Sa blank asti param. सर्पिणी न अस्ति. आंसर इज द्विजिह्वा. फोर्थ, सः निर्जीवः अपि ब्लैंक वर्तते. आंसर इज बहुभाषकः. नाउ ब्लैंक नंबर 5. कः हन्ति ब्लैंक कुलं? सो द आंसर इज करिणाम. सिक्स्थ, किं ब्लैंक कातरः युद्धे? सो द आंसर इज कुर्यात्. Exercise number 3. Put a right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First, the body of that woman born from a man and woman is like a man. So the answer is wrong. Second, since she has a mouth, she talks a lot. Wrong. Third, the 5 fingers that hold a pan are her 5 husbands. Right. Fourth, since the shoe is held together with a string, it makes no sound. So the answer is wrong. Fifth, musk is produced in the mouth of deer. Answer is wrong. Sixth, the lion kills a herd of elephant. Right. Now exercise number 4. Match the columns A and B correctly to make complete sentence. First, त्वग्वस्त्रधारी. So the answer is न च सिद्ध योगी. Second, जलं च बिभ्रन्न न घटो न मेघः. Third, कृष्णमुखी न मार्जारी. Answer is द्विजिह्वा न सर्पिणी. Exercise number 5 is answer each of the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. First, का स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अस्ति? So the answer is छोटी का स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अस्ति. Second, कः परपादेन गच्छति? So the answer is पादरक्षकः परपादेन गच्छति. Third, कातरः युद्धे किं करोति? So the answer is कातरः युद्धे पलायनं करोति. Fourth, त्वग्वस्त्रधारी किं न अस्ति? So the answer is तग्वस्त्रधारी सिद्धयोगी न अस्ति. Fifth, सिंहः किं हन्ति? So the answer is सिंहः करिणां कुलं हन्ति. Now exercise number 6. Answer each of the following questions in one or two sentences in English. First, how many eyes has Lord Shankara? So the answer is Lord Shankara has 3 eyes. Second, which qualities are there in Chotika? So it has neither a body nor a mouth and is destroyed as soon as possible. Third, what is tied with a shoe? Still, it walks with another's feet. A string is tied with a shoe. Still, it talks with one another's feet. Fourth, who is the king of birds? So the answer is eagle is the king of birds. Fifth, what does a coward do during war? So answer is a coward runs away from the war. Question number 7. Select the proper word from the brackets and answer the questions. First, Vrukshagravasi kaha asti? So the answer is Vrukshagravasi narikelah asti. Second, का स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अस्ति? So the answer is छोटी का स्त्री देह विवर्जिता अस्ति. Third, का कृष्णमुखी अस्ति? So the answer is लेखिनी कृष्णमुखी अस्ति. Fourth, कः परपादेन गच्छति? पादरक्षकः परपादेन गच्छति. Fifth, कस्तूरी कस्मात् जायते? कस्तूरी मृगात् जायते. Question number 8. Match the columns A and B correctly. So the answers are like this. त्रिनेत्रधारी नारिकेलः, नर नारी समुत्पन्ना छोटिका, पंचभर्त्री पांचाली, शीलाभक्षी पादरक्षकः, and fifth कातरः युद्धे पलायनं करोति. Question number 9. Frame the other words by following the example. First, शूलपाणिः, चक्रपाणिः, शस्त्रपाणिः, शंखपाणिः. Second, त्रिनेत्रधारी, श्वेतवस्त्रधारी, गौरमुखधारी, रक्तमुखधारी. Third, शीलाभक्षी, वातभक्षी, फलभक्षी, अन्नभक्षी. Fourth, दंतहीनः, नेत्रहीनः, वाणीहीनः, बुद्धिहीनः. Exercise number 10. Use asti, nasti and rewrite the following sentences according to the example. First, त्रिनेत्रधारी न च शूलपाणि. So the answer is like this. त्रिनेत्रधारी अस्ति किंतु शूलपाणि नास्ति. Second, तग्वस्त्रधारी अस्ति किंतु सिद्धयोगी नास्ति. Third, कृष्णमुखी अस्ति किंतु मार्जारी नास्ति. Fourth, द्विजिह्वा अस्ति किंतु सर्पिणी नास्ति. Fifth, पंचभर्त्री अस्ति किंतु पांचाली नास्ति. Question number 11. Find out the true meaning of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. First, Ghataha means pot. Second, Megha means cloud. Third, Marjari means cat. Fourth, Bharta means husband. Fifth, Kari means elephant. Sixth, Dantaha means teeth. Seventh, Panchali means Draupadi. 8. Vibhranna means holder. And 9 number, Twak means scheme. Exercise number 12. Find out the true synonyms of the given Sanskrit words from the given options and write. First, Ghataha means Kumbha. Second, Pani means Karaha. Third, Sarpaha means Bhujangaha. Fourth, Stri means Nari. Fifth, Netra means Lochan. And sixth, Kari means Gaj or Hasti. 13 number exercise. Translate the following verses into English. First, he lives at the top of the trees but is not an eagle, the kind of a bird. He has 3 eyes but is not the holder of the trident, Lord Shankara. He wears a skin as a cloth but is not an enlightened ascetic. He holds water but is not a pot or a cloud. Second, the one who is without teeth but still eats stones, the one who has no life but is a chatterbox, the one who is tied with qualities, string laces, and the one who walks with another's feet, a stranger's feet. Third number, from where is musk produced? Who kills a herd of elephant? And what does a coward do during war? So the exercise number 13 is over. Now let us see exercise number 14. Complete the following verses. First, नरनारी समुत्पन्ना सा स्त्री देहविवर्जिता अमुखी कुरुते शब्दम जातमात्रा विनश्यति. Second, Krishnamukhi न मार्जारी त्रिजीवा न च सर्पिणी पंचभर्ती न पांचाली and यो जानati स panditah. So dear students, here our workbook fill up for second semester 7th standard Sanskrit. Chapter number first is over. Now you may copy down all the exercise in your workbook.